Happy Sunday! Very nice day today. It's not hot and the color of the trees are not, the leaves are not changing yet. That one pine trees, it won't change at all. But there's some here, that one. And yeah, it's a very nice day today. Summer is over and it's fall. So my honey is here. What are you doing, honey?
Hi, how are you? I am Honey. No,
Honey
that's my
from
nickname.
honey from the
I am
from
Honey
the
Bunny.
coconut.
I am Honey Bunny. How are you? I am getting ready to Sunday, baking day. Well, yeah.
He's very good in baking.
Cookies,
Guys. He
banana
likes
bread,
sweets.
buttermilk, cornbread, and the main course.
He's gonna cook ribs
Instapot pressure cooker.
in Instapot.
So I'm making a list of things that I might need in order to do it. Might be a lot, but actually the pressure cooker is really easy and fast. The cornbread's really easy. The banana bread's easy. The cookies takes a little bit more time because you have to do several different back and forth with the plates, which I don't see right there. I don't know where my cookie sheet is. Did you see my cookie sheet, honey?
I don't know where they put the cookie sheet.
I don't know. It used to be down here. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's hidden. Alright, so right now we're going to need, well, we need vanilla extract. We may not have enough.
We have
for
banana.
everything.
We have extract there.
No, we don't. We have very little. That's why I put it on the list. I mean, you have very little. You might have enough for these two items, but eventually you're going to need more. Sour cream.
We have a sour cream I bought yesterday.
You said they didn't have sour cream.
No, they have.
Did you buy walnuts?
No, I didn't
Well, we need walnuts.
because
You don't
I thought
actually
we
need
have a lot
walnuts.
of walnuts already. I thought we had walnuts.
No, that if we did, it was last year, and I think I threw out a bunch because it was stale. I mean, nuts go bad after a time, but walnuts are not that expensive. So, okay. So, I mean, I've got. Okay, since we just need to get some walnuts. Our son's birthday is this Friday, so I need also to go out to get a birthday card, so I can do two things at the same time.
Okay.
Not a problem. But we'll be going with this here shortly. Probably next hour or so. I need to eat lunch.
Okay. What
I'm
are you gonna be having
For what?
for lunch? Cereal.
That did cross my mind. Cause I'm a big cereal person. Probably just a, peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh wow! Sounds
Some-
very
with
promising.
cheese. With cheese.
PBG
Yeah.
with cheese. Wow, that sounds interesting.
What's that? Okay. Alright. I'll see you later once I get going. Here's all the stuff laid out.
These are the ingredients
Cornbread.
for his cornbread, for his banana bread, and for the
You always
ribs.
And you always check ingredients. The worst thing to happen is to be in the middle of doing something and realize you don't have what you need or you don't have enough. Not good.
Mm-hmm.
Not good.
Already?
Especially for baking. Baking is a precise affair. Unlike cooking, you can, wiggle baking just because it
Already. Bye for now.
Oh, I'm talking. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye for now. We will see you later once it starts cooking. Alrighty, we are gonna go out to purchase some of the ingredients that's not available here. Alrighty, see you later. Okay, now the banana bread is in the oven. So we'll wait for 1 hour. And alright. So the temperature of the oven should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alrighty then. We'll see when it's cooked or baked. Bye-bye.
Yep. Okay, I've just tested it again. Toothpicks coming out clean.
Okay.
And the final result
Ta-da-da.
is this.
Ta-da-da.
Now what transpires,
Ta-da-da.
it cools for 10 minutes.
Ta-da-da.
And then after 10 minutes, remove it and let it cool completely on the rack.
Ta-da-da. It's time. Ta-da-da. It's all time. Okay. Are you gonna?
Yes. Okay, so all the ingredients are now inside. Everything's well blended. So now it has to go into the greased dish. Look how nice
More
that layers.
for wristline.
Stuff like this, you really don't want to care too much about it.
This is a lot of butter too, right?
Yeah, that's a whole 1 stick of butter,
Whoa.
half cup. It has honey too, so it's good for you.
It's healthy, right? Because there is honey.
Yes.
And the corn is healthy, right?
And a creation is born. Frankenstein. Aha.
Same.
Frankenstein. It's my baby. Has a little frown.
It's like a
It's like a frown.
a smiley fish though.
It's upside down.
Smiley. A smiley fish is frowning.
You could look like this way. Then it's upside right.
Okay, guys, we are having.
And that's the cornbread.
Just for the two of us.
Well, Mike and Betsy as well. I asked them if they wanted some. They said, yeah, a couple slices. So we can share.
In exchange with cake.
Oh, yeah. They gave us cake and cupcakes before. So.
Okay. So what's next?
Make food taste better.
Okay, so this one is for ribs. And we'll see now how it tastes like.
Yes, just came out of the oven.
Just came out of the oven. And it's about 626. Yeah. Not bad, guys. guys, my sauce is soy sauce. Vinegar. Yeah. It's yummy.
Unfortunately, I do not have any barbecue sauce left. Use it, all of it.
That's your cornbread carbs.
I didn't do far. Good.
Rice and rice cornbread. I got a lot of rice. But so far so good, guys. It's yummy.
It tastes really good.
Especially when you're eating with your hands.
If you say so. The ribs, yes, no problem. That's considered finger food. That's why you have napkins. So hands don't get all greasy.